It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares about you.
Unikitty!
You're wrong, Hopper.
Hopper? I hate to interrupt, but, you stay back! Oh, this was such a bad idea.
Have you ever seen anything so beautiful?
Horse's ass.
Delicious!
There's a place I know that's tucked away, a place where you and I can stay, where we can go to laugh and play and have adventures every day.
Wait, you got it right.
What a fine day for sun.
You didn't follow your paperwork.
It's too cute! It's disgusting!
Wow. You were really proud of that one, weren't you?
I can't believe it's finally...
Okay, I'm trying very hard to resist the gay old-time joke, but you are making it very difficult.
First one to the Toy Zone entrance wins! You're on, sis!
Race to the finish. Ready? Go!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Woo! And she is first.
You shut the fuck up!
One of these days, I'm totally gonna win. Oh yeah?
Well then consider yourself debrotherized.
What the fuck?
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Woody? When you two compete, it gets a little,
Intense.
Don't test my slam jam. This is a slam jam!
Intense.
Are you kidding? We love gay night. Life is full of games, and they make you feel so gay.
Now I have no choice.
Game born in the depths of darkness. Cursed be those who play it. It's called Doom!
Wow, what a game!
Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh, it's so good!
How much?
The price is free, but the free to take, but a curse upon your soul. Yes, free, but
Free?
free.
Free?
The
fuck is wrong with you idiots?
Okay, bye.
We gotta roll things, guys.
Let's crack this baby open.
Let's boot it up, ladies and gentlemen.
What I'm thinking here and then.
Don't count on it! Oh!
Nuh-uh. Bring it on, little bro. What?
Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time.
So, are we playing or what?
Wow, you guys are super into this, but I would come in last if I were you.
See you on the other side.
No! Stitchville!
I'm leaving first! I'm leaving first! I am!
Who took my hair? Who took my hair dryer?
Hello?
I thought it was just a game.
They did it! They fried the coke again!
Piece of corn! Try to keep up, little bro! Hey, flying is cheating!
You can't fly.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Can.
Can't.
Congrats to you! First to escape the maze, porn!
Cool! I love porn!
No, it's a kid's show, don't!
Looks like your little brother might actually beat you this time.
And the plot thickens!
That's great, Thorn. I'm not mad at all, so...
You got lost and came in last. Now time for me to reap!
All right, we get it!
I'm a lemon!
I'm Pickle Rick!
No! No, not it! I can't take anymore! If one more fucking
Pickle Rick!
anything up to double thing, plus I think I'm a friend!
Watch me swing right in.
Floof, floof, I got 5 tickets.
This is a slam jam!
I got 45!
Oh no, that's like 4 more than me!
Can I adopt you?
What are you plotting, creeper?
Ow! My eye!
Oh, sorry, Crocodile, time's up. And how many tickets do you have?
0. Unfortunately...
You're in last place.
What's the matter, Andy? Don't you want to have some fun?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine.
542, 543, 445, 344, 242, 545, 444.
Numbers!
Corn! And how delicious! It's anyone's game as we near the finish line.
And the plot thickens a bit more!
What's good, yeah?
Not when I shift into maximum overdrive! I knew I should have gotten the turbo.
Yes! Now ring that bell and you will be the winner of Spooky Game!
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from Sally, age 14. Dear Pig, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes, Sally. Yes, I am. Keep those cards coming.
My friends aren't losers.
Go ahead, sis. I guess I am a loser. Again.
What have I done? What have I done? I hope there's still time to set things right.
Sass, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am a cardiac arrest!
Stop, you dummies! You're breaking the dummies!
Well, we're both winning, so... yeah.
So you mean I'm the loser? Princess, what happened?
John and Aaron win! They realize friendship's more important!
Woo!